In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create NFTs using Canva for free. Go to canva.com, and if you are new to Canva, you can easily create a free account. Now, to begin designing, from custom size, select width and height to 361 pixels and click on create new design. So you can create different sizes of NFT. For this tutorial, I'll stick to a square size. This is your Canva editor, and this is your side panel where you can find all the editing tools. Almost everything you need to edit your pictures in Canva you can find here. To create your NFT collection, you need to have a basic idea. Like, you can create an NFT collection of girls wearing different outfits. You can base it on some cartoon characters, or you must have seen the very famous monkey NFT where they are wearing different clothes and have different expressions. So similarly, I will choose my base as a pig. So I'm searching for only a pig face because it gives me freedom to play with its outfits, headgears, eyewears, and etc. So I can create a lot of NFTs with a single base element. Now the next thing you need to keep in mind is you need to select an element which is more editable. By that I mean, for example, this pig has 4 editable colors and this image has no editable colors. So this is not going to work. We need to select something like this so that you can change the color of your base image and create variations in it. So just to get started, I'll fix my face size and duplicate it to the number of NFTs you need. For this tutorial, I'll just restrict it to 5 images. Now to bring variations, I'll change the colors of each image. Now my second layer of variation will be the backgrounds. I'll go to element search for backgrounds and go to graphics, and I like this one. And position it to back. You can either copy the same background to other images and just play with their colors, or you can select different backgrounds for different images. Now my third layer of variation will be the outfits. You can search for either a man or a woman outfits. Go to graphics, and there you see there are a lot of images like these. You just need to resize them and position them backward. Now while repositioning, if you're facing such issue that your image is popping out, you can crop the image and you are done. So like this, I'll give different outfits to all the NFTs. You can also search for some occupations like doctor to get different outfits. Now my fourth layer of variation will be the extra elements I can give. For example, you can add some hats, you can add hair, you can add glasses. Also, if you want, you can give your NFTs a specific characteristic like spooky eyes, like these. You can search for some occupational elements like a chef's cap. So with these 4-5 variations and a good base element, you can create an n number of NFTs.